Hello, IELTS candidate. This is Usman, your IELTS instructor. In today's video, we are going to discuss IELTS speaking part 1. And this topic, which we are going to discuss here, is important for test going to held in August 2026. So, if you are looking for IELTS test in August, then watch this video completely. Before I answer these questions, I would like to inform you that I'm offering online platform for IELTS preparation. So if you are looking for online classes, you can contact me in my inbox. And if you have not yet followed me, please click the follow button. Let's answer these questions. So in our speaking part 1, you will be asked 7 to 8 questions, and first 3 to 4 questions are about your personal information. And after these questions, you will be introduced to a topic, and that topic would be about your daily life, or your past experiences, or your likes or dislikes. In IELTS speaking part, one topic, you are asked 3 to 4 questions, and you don't need to answer in detail because this is part 1, and you are required to understand the topic of the question and address that point of the question in a sentence or two. So, how you can do it? For example, the first question is: did you ride a bike when you were little? When you were little. So, it is about your past life when you were a child, and it is about riding a bike. So you can say, for example, well, I don't think so. I remember any time when I rode the bike when I was a young, because I was not allowed by my parents to ride the bike then. So this is how you can answer this cue card. This question. The second question is: are bikes popular in India or Pakistan? So you can answer this question like this: yes, in Pakistan, bikes are very popular. They are the common mean to travel from one place to another. You can see a lot of bikes over the road in our country because everyone owns a bike, so you will find them everywhere. So this is how you can address this question. The next question is: do you often ride a bike now? You can answer, for example, yes, I often ride bike now because it has become a part of my daily life. As you know, in Pakistan, streets are quite narrower. So in those streets, bike is the best mean to travel. So I ride this bike almost daily. The fourth question is: do you have a bike now? You can say, for example, yes, I have a bike and I bought that bike almost 2 years ago. I love my bike as it is helping me in managing my daily affairs, and it is cost effective in our country. The last question is: did you have a bike when you were young? So you can say, for example, no, I didn't have a bike when I was young, but I remember that when for the first time my father bought a bike, he brought that bike at our home, and I was really happy to have that bike in my home. But unfortunately, my father didn't allow me to ride that bike. So I cannot say that bike belonged to me, but it was the bike of my father. So these are the questions, and this is the way you can answer these questions. I hope you have learned something from this video. If yes, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, where you can find very helping material about IELTS listening, reading, writing, and speaking. And if you are interested, write these answers of these questions in comment section. I will give you my review over that response. So stay connected for learning more. Thank you.